In the previous tutorial, we have learned how we can create email using the email builder, the text builder, the HTML code editor, and through the email templates. In this video, we will cover how you can send your first email once the email is created using any of the builders that we have previously explained. Okay. So I'm moving back to the FormGet builder, and as you can see down below, this is the first campaign that we created using our email builder. Okay. I'm pressing the builder button. I'm just trying to see the preview. So this is the email that we created back in the last video. And now what we would be doing is we would be sending this this email campaign to the audience that we have imported previously. So what I'm doing is I'm just pressing the send button now. Next, I'm giving the from name for this campaign, and I'm adding a subject line which says my first email campaign. And next, I'm choosing the SMTP through which I'm going to send this email. Now, this is an option that only me as an admin is going to see. You won't be seeing this option, so you don't have to worry about this. And I'm pressing the save button to make sure that everything is saved. Okay. Lastly, I'm going to select my contact list from the left panel just to make sure that I'm sending the email to the entire audience group in this new tutorial list. Okay. Once the audience is selected, I'm again pressing the save button, and next I can send the email. Now, before sending, you are actually going to see multiple options over here. So first send is the send with auto follow-up option. Next is the send later, and the third is the send email button. Now there is a couple of difference between both all three options. Send with follow-up actually is a very smart feature that we have designed inside MailGet. With send with follow-up, what happens is your first campaign is actually delivered immediately, but all the audience who does not open your emails after a prescribed number of days, like 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, or 7 days, after any number of days, the people who do not open the campaign will again get the same campaign without you having to do anything. So this means that one campaign would be sent right away, and all the people who do not receive this campaign will get another follow-up email automatically after the described or prescribed number of days over here. Okay, so this is send with auto follow-up. Next is the option to send this email campaign at a later point of time. So it says the current time here is 23rd September 2017, and this is the current time. We can pick any of the time or date in future to make sure that email campaign is delivered on this specific date at this specific time, and we can schedule our campaign at this point of time. Okay. And last is an option to send the email right away. So in this tutorial, what I am doing is I'm going to send this email right away. So I have already selected my list. I have added my from name. I have selected the from email address. I have added the subject line of the message. And now what I'm doing is I'm just pressing the send email button. It says yes, continue. It says the total recipients is 3. You are sending this email to new tutorial list, and that's it. I'm pressing the send it now button. Now, in just a brief moment of time, this email campaign will be sent to all the audience that we have selected previously. So it now says done. We are sending your email. This may take a few minutes, but you can leave the page. Okay. So we can go back to the dashboard, and I'm going to open my Gmail now just to see whether I have received this campaign or not. So you can see here, it says sent 3. Now I'm opening my Gmail just to see whether the email is received or not. And you can see on the top, it says Neeraj at MailGet, my first email campaign. I'm pressing the email, and it says cut down your email marketing bill, and the email is received exactly same as we sent it back then. Now I'm just refreshing and reloading this page, and you can see that this campaign has been opened by one person. So I'm just checking to see who has opened this campaign, and you can see that neer.ga@gmail.com has opened this email. It was sent to 3 people, and all those 3 people are over here. It has been opened by 1 person. And let's imagine if I click any specific link, I'm instantly taken to the sales page. And if I refresh this page again, it says the link has been clicked 1 time. And who has opened the click? Who has clicked the link? And this is the entire link detail. Now, the amazing thing with MailGet is that once the email campaign is opened by any specific number of persons, you can store this entire list of persons who have opened this email and create a new list. Isn't it amazing? The benefit of creating a new list of all the opens is because when you are going to send your next campaign, if you want, you can exclude the people who have opened your emails and resend the campaign again at any point of time in future. So this way you can actually send your next campaign to only the people who have not opened your campaigns through MailGet. So this is one feature that I like about MailGet from the sales perspective, because everyone knows no one is going to open, not 100% people are going to open your email in the first time itself. So it makes a great way that you can save a new list of all the opens people once and then resend the same campaign again in a later date by excluding the contacts. This is the entire detail that you can check with MailGet. So thank you for watching this video. In the next section, I will be covering email drips and autoresponders. And further, I would be explaining how you can create subscription form for your website.